inside to hold you.
Hi guys! Welcome back again to my channel, Tech's Room. So first and foremost, I just want to say thank you for watching me again on my channel on this video. So for today's vlog, we gonna unboxing this Singer sewing machine 2250. So I am so happy when I got this present from my husband in my 31st birthday, because I wanted to have a sewing machine before, and now I finally have it. So join me and we're gonna start unboxing this. So let's start unboxing this sewing machine. Yo, so excited. Heavy. Okay, so let's see with the manual instruction. So they have a bag for the sewing machine, and they have the Singer sewing machine manual instruction. This is new, of course. So I have this wire with the sewing machine, this one, that, and the wire connect to the electricity. So this is how it looks. Here you can see, and you can which kind of style you want. Here you can round, turning, rotating. So ito na po yun. Ayan, go back to English. No, go back to Tagalog 101. 101.9 radio station yun. So this is it. So ano siya, it's not so heavy, but I think it's like 2 kilos. Yes. So it's really nice, and yes, we're gonna check and we're gonna try if it's working good. And I think it's really good, and it's really good brand, I think. Yeah, I know. That is how.
On the pedal.
Yeah, pedal. You need to use the pedal so it will function.
This is you should have like
normal. Yeah, that is the different kinds of style.
Yeah.
So yeah. So yeah, this is it, and they have
then
this.
Here you have, I think, how much it should jump.
Yeah, how much the space.
Yeah.
How much the space. How much, and they have this one, and then I think this is like reserve. No, reserve tools. It's like a reserve tools, or should we?
This is how it works.
So my husband gonna show how it's.
Here you put, or you can also put here.
Yeah.
And then you must.
And they have her.
Yeah.
Yes.
And here you put.
Yeah, I know. My mother, I see this many times.
This, yeah. And you do like this.
Yes, I know that the. So you can.
And here you.
Yeah,
have,
I know. I see that before.
It's going to be fun.
This reverse, what, like
Yeah, going back.
going back. Going back,
In the
like
hand.
forward. Yeah, so this is my unboxing in Singer sewing machine. So I gonna make a video when I gonna try to use it. So for today, only unboxing the Singer sewing machine 2250. So this is it. There's nothing more. And then this is the switch on and off. This one. When you connect the wire, right? To make it function, of course. So this is the specs of the Singer. Model is 2250. And it's really nice. So beautiful. And this one is when you then put up, put down, and then put up. I think it will be easy to use it. I think and I'm sure I will not have a problem to use it because I'm good in using this. Charot. Charot. Kalon ba sa imo daya? First time mo lang magamit sang electric. Pag manual kapila na gid ka gamit sang manual. Pag sang electric, tagal na. Okay. So guys, this is my new Singer sewing machine, model 2250. So I hope you enjoy watching this unboxing sewing machine, the Singer. And thank you again for watching my video. I see you again next time. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.